Something a lot of people don't know about condo culture is we actually offer a very comprehensive leasing service that helps investors find tenants in a very fast and easy way. And we'll outline that process throughout this video. Step 1, prep and market readiness. We start by making sure the unit is market ready, staged if necessary, and priced attractively on market data that's based in the last 30 to 60 days. Step 2, professional photography and video. Every listing gets professional photography, video if necessary, and this goes a long way to attracting the right tenants and reducing wasted showings. Step 3, strategic listing and private outreach. From there, we launch the listing across top platforms to connect with our tenant network. And some units are even leased before public showings begin. Step 4, tenant screening. Tenant screening is of utmost importance. It's what protects your unit from either having somebody great or having somebody not so great in the unit. It's our job to go through those profiles and make sure that you're getting the best person. Applicants are screened. We look into credit, income, employment, and rental history. Step 5, showings and communication. We handle all showings, questions, follow-up, and handle day-to-day communications that keeps you free of hassle and keep you informed throughout the process. Step 6, application review and approval. Once we receive an application, it's very important to be able to explain that application, compare that to other applications we've received, talk about the marketplace over the last 30 days, and say, how does this application look? So you can make an informed decision on whether this is the right tenant for you. We present clear options, present the pros and cons, and allow you to make a confident decision. Step 7, digital lease and compliance. Once approved, agreements are signed digitally and we facilitate the payment of rent. Our job is to protect your property, your time, and your peace of mind, all while securing the right tenant.